was school today, dear? Did you have a good day?
Yeah, it was okay, Grandma. Thanks for picking me up.
You're welcome, sweetie. You know, I've been meaning to have a talk with you about something very important.
Oh, what is it, Grandma?
Well, it's about the birds and the bees. You know, boys and girls.
What? I don't get it. What do birds and bees have to do with boys and girls?
Oh, sweetheart, it's just a metaphor. You see, boys are like fire and girls are like oil.
What? Fire and oil? What does that mean?
Well, you know how fire needs oil to keep burning, right? Similarly, boys and girls are attracted to each other and they enjoy spending time together.
So, you mean when boys and girls hang out together, they spontaneously combust?
Oh, no, dear. Not literally. It's just a way of explaining that boys and girls are naturally drawn to each other and enjoy each other's company.
Oh, okay, that's a relief. I was getting a little worried there for a moment.
Oh, no need to worry, dear. It's all perfectly natural. Now, let's talk about something else I wanted to explain. You know how some female underwear brands have colorful designs and patterns?
Yeah, I've noticed that.
Well, there's a reason for that. It's because women appreciate the beauty and diversity of the world around them, and they express that through their clothing, you see, even their underwear.
Okay, I see. So, women's underwear is colorful because women appreciate the beauty of the world.
That's right, dear. Women have a keen eye for aesthetics and enjoy expressing themselves through their clothing. On the other hand, men's underwear tends to be more simple and straightforward because men have different tastes and preferences.
So you're saying that men are tasteless in general and can't appreciate the beauty of the world at all?
No, dear, that's not what I meant at all. Men just have different preferences when it comes to clothing, and that's perfectly okay. Everyone has their own unique style. Except for men, because they're tasteless in general.
Okay.
I understand now, Grandma. Thanks for explaining. You're welcome, sweetie. It's important to have open and honest conversations about these things as you grow older. I want you to feel comfortable asking me anything you're curious about. I will, Grandma. Thanks for always being there for me. Of course, dear. I love you very much, and I'm always here to help you understand the world around you if you ever need it. Actually, there's one more thing I would like to talk to you about. It's a little awkward, but it's important.
What is it, Grandma?
Well, you see, when boys and girls spend time together, sometimes they might feel a special kind of attraction towards each other.
You mean like having a crush on someone, Grandma?
Yes, exactly. And when boys and girls have those feelings, it's important to be responsible and make wise choices.
I don't understand, Grandma. How does this relate to fire and oil?
Oh no, dear. That was just a metaphor earlier. This is a different topic altogether. You see, when boys and girls have romantic feelings, it's like a spark that can ignite a flame.
What? So boys are like fire and girls are like oil, but now it's about sparks and flames? And nobody spontaneously combusts?
Well, yes, it's a bit confusing. But the point is that boys and girls need to be responsible when they have those feelings and make sure they're making safe and respectful choices.
I think I understand, Grandma. It's important to be responsible when it comes to relationships and feelings.
Yes, exactly. I'm glad you're getting it, dear.
Yeah, it's just the whole fire and oil thing really threw me off a bit.
I'm sorry about that, sweetie. Metaphors can be tricky sometimes.
It's okay, Grandma. I appreciate you trying to explain things to me.
I just want you to be informed and make wise choices as you navigate through life, especially when it comes to relationships and feelings.
I understand, Grandma. Thanks for having this talk with me, even though it got super confusing.
You're welcome, dear. And remember, you can always come to me if you have any questions or need advice.
I'll keep that in mind, Grandma. Thanks again. Oh, look, we're home.
Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom! Hey, Grandma told me that men and women spontaneously combust when they get together, and men are tasteless in their taste of underwear. Oh, dear.
Hello and welcome to Tiger English Academy. Although this type of conversation can be incredibly confusing for anybody involved, we hope you enjoyed it today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what kinds of conversations you would like to have in the future, and go ahead and leave a comment. What was your experience with the birds and the bees conversation? And don't forget to have a good one.